gonna record it. Yeah, I would back up as far as you can. Joyce, you do realize you're gonna have to measure the angle, right?
Yeah.
Is this moving?
No, not
Oh,
moving
you're not
yet.
holding it.
Not moving yet. You want to go this way?
Oh, there, okay. I see it now.
No. Just tell me before the lunch. Okay.
Joyce, say hi.
Hi. This is our lunch rocket experiment. Welcome.
This is our rocket experiment that we're having fun with.
Yeah. Maybe you have more fun after we lunch.
I love launching rockets.
Yeah.
I like to see people's reactions.
Yeah, and
Especially when nobody's actually like seen a
just go
rocket.
straight on
And people are
down.
always like, like scared.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Pretty fun.
Yeah. Those of you who has the altitude finder with them, raise it up so I can see.
Right there, raise your hand. Joyce, raise your hand.
I raised the
Who has
gun.
the altitude finder, get a partner and
Okay.
a person with a tape measure, and you're going to stand by that wall over there, okay? And then you're going to measure, four of you are going to measure the altitude for the first one.
So you're gonna have to go over there.
Measure the altitude.
Go over there.
You have to, yeah. And I'm gonna record this.
Yeah.
No, this is really boring. It's just sitting.
Okay, the rest of you will be retrievers, so we need to go. Stand back. Stand back.
And can I have someone help me put out the tape measure? Thank you, Ashley. Alright, so just go walk towards our
This isn't my whole class. If that's what you guys are thinking after watching this. No. This is... I'm recording. This is the small freshmen, some of the freshmen and sophomores. Get ready, Joyce.
Watch your head.
Lord Christ.